Good morning. It is Sunday. So I don't know why I have a frog in my this is going great so far. I don't know why I have a frog in my throat. So this again, I'm gonna state is amazing. I have a format thing here. I think I may have showed it. I tagged it on Instagram. So this is from No White Space Stickers. It's her sticky notes. And I just put format, and then anything I'm done here goes on here. And then when I'm done with like a vlog, I will actually take whatever is on here and then format them in here, meaning like I've tried to just delete and format them on my computer. It doesn't work. And on here, I just do them on there, and then I put them in here. And I'm telling you, I don't know if it's just because my life is crazy now, but so now I have the 3 empty, and the vlog that I just finished, why I can take it out and format it, is so I edited this one yesterday, which is right there. So I had one in here, so I moved this one over here and then put this one that was just in this camera so I can edit right here. So that way I can kind of go in order. I'm hoping to be able to actually edit both of these today. We'll see. For sure want to get one done. But yeah, I'm telling you, this is amazing. So a little update on the closet. My father-in-law, who I had texted last weekend to help with the closet, I'm not comfortable cutting. I could probably take it to Home Depot and they would cut it, but it's not real wood. I don't know how to use a circular saw. My father-in-law is super like handy, so I'm gonna have him help me. All right, so I'm going to attempt, I'm going to attempt to edit this vlog. He's woken up a couple times, so I'm hoping that I will be able to do it. I either have a cat screaming at me or a baby screaming at me, so your girl's gonna go insane. I'm exhausted. I did 2 grocery store runs because they did not have one of the main ingredients for tonight's dinner. If it was like the one I'm making Tuesday, which is green chicken chili, would have been fine. No, of course it's this one. I am 2 completed loads of laundry done, which are our clothes. I have Max's now in the dryer, and then I have our sheets and towels, in the wash now. So yeah, and then yesterday was an eventful day. We still have a disaster in here. So I'm gonna do a little tidying, probably put some stuff on that bookshelf is the primary thing that I'm probably gonna end up doing. All right, picked it up a little bit. There isn't much, yeah, until we finish the closet. It is what it is. All right, I look like I'm about to go into surgery. I was like, oh, maybe I should tell. So I am going to take these off. Like, by off, I mean like just take a little bit off, like the color, and then do the new tutorial that I want to film. So I will take you with me because it will be up before then, before you see this, I guess. And I'm gonna rock 2 different hands because I don't really care. I'm not gonna go out, and if I do, I don't really care, so yeah. I just need gloves, and let's begin. course, my camera died in the middle and I wasn't about to go get the charger. So it is 9:21. I just fed him probably about 20 minutes ago. We are gonna go to bed. Like I said before, we had a huge lasagna for dinner and I cleaned the kitchen before going to bed because I find myself just picking up even just a couple things before going to bed makes me feel so much better in the morning. Good morning. It is just before 8. Little man is still sleeping. I just putzed around on my phone for probably an hour or so. And I figured I'd just go ahead and get up. Because I really enjoyed on my birthday the time off that I had in the morning by myself. So yeah, let's wash some bottles, maybe make myself some breakfast, getting crazy, okay? All right, little man went down at 10, it's 10:30. I filmed another nail set, but I figured you guys probably wouldn't really want to watch it because I have like literally tutorials on it. Like it will be up before this vlog is up. So this is it right here. The little cow design with some foil. Right? So fun. And don't worry, this hand is still rainbow. So yeah, literally doing it for the tutorial because they have there's like a nail challenge that kind of goes out now. Some lady started it and I don't remember what it is. I probably won't remember to insert it in the photo, but it'll be in that tutorial on my second channel if you guys want to see how I did this, or the rainbow nails actually. They'll both be up probably by the time this is up. So yeah, let's get to editing. I don't think I ever talk about that. So I am actually sanitizing the bottles and like the nipples and everything in that. This thing is awesome. So it's 2 minutes on our microwave and then let sit for 2 minutes and then they are sanitized and then I just put them back on the rack and then they just cool off and it's awesome. Also, what in tarnation is going on over here? Do we see that? I wonder if that's like stress or sleep or who knows what that is, but that's terrible. I don't think I've had that bad in a very long time and I can like feel it. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday. I had a busy day. So even though I'm on maternity leave, I had a company meeting today. It was like a all company meeting. We do them like twice a year. So I was on a call for 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours. Maybe close to 3 hours. And then I actually brought him in to my work because, you know, you bring your baby in for everyone to see. And then I literally came home and then cooked green chicken chili. So from 11 until 5, I have not stopped. All right, so these are them. I don't know if that's gonna focus. Right, how fun. I don't know if you can see the gold. There's gold lines. I don't think you can, but yeah, so that is that, and I'm gonna go eat some dinner. So excited. You know what I'm really excited for? To get my hair did. I'm rubbing all my cuticle oil in the bottom because your girl gotta keep things shiny. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what day it is. No, today's Thursday. You are already in the middle of the vlog. What am I talking about? So we are going to run out. We can go to the doctor and then we're going to maybe go to Carter's. I don't know. I'm online and they have a coupon for online. And I have one for in-store somewhere. Oh my God, he's found us some. It's the cutest thing ever. But he's currently in 6 to 12 month onesie, like zip up thing. 6 to 12 months. He is 9 weeks. Okay, we gonna go because he getting fussy and we gotta go. So made out great at the doctor. Now I'm going to do some dishes because I gotta do some dishes. What? What, Mickeys? What? Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Jealous. Hi. Hello. Okay, so yes, I'm going to get to these dishes. You want to do them for me? No? I understand. All right, now that those are done, I want to put away laundry that's in here. So before I do that, I had ordered 4 dresses from Amazon, and they were super cute. Side note, don't try on dresses after you have a baby. Literally, I look terrible. And not that I feel like I look terrible in general, but like I'm a size 12. I've been very open in my weight loss and my struggle and my food struggle and whatever. But I ordered a 2X, which is equivalent to a US size 12. Can you believe it? A 2X to a 12. That's absolutely crazy. And I am a size 12. I was a 10 before I had Max. And I thought I looked good. Now I don't look as good, but that's okay. I'll get there eventually. Not really worried about it because I got enough to worry about. However, trying on dresses really sucks because you have a tie around your waist after having a child. I mean, I'm 2 months postpartum, like I need to cut myself some slack, but when you're trying to find a dress for a really like special occasion, it sucks. Good morning. I don't think I've said good morning to you yet. So we are just chilling. I am waiting on a signature confirmation package from UPS, and they tried to deliver it yesterday, but I was not home at the doctor, so of course that would be my luck. Okay, so we have people coming tonight and this whole weekend, and my house is a mess. Like, it's not like terrible, but I have stuff I have to clean up. And he's been so needy and like, Mom, pay attention to me. Mom wants to pay attention to you. Mom don't want to clean. So that was exciting. Literally, so I had the camera over here ready to like film, and it fell. All right, green chicken chili, which these are 2 meals in each. So like Mike and I will have like 1. So we have 4 more meals and we had 2 meals. So this makes what, 8, 9, 10, 12 servings. It's a pain to make. It's super easy, but like there's a ton of steps. But it is so good and it freezes so well. All right, so Max is down. And it is 9:21, so he cluster fed tonight. He ended up eating, I think, almost 200. At 6:40 he ate 100, at 7:45 he ate 50, at 8:48 160. So in a period of 6, 7, 8, 2 hours, he ate 260, 310. That's outrageous. I don't really have much left to do, so the kitchen is what it is. I'm gonna take care of that stuff, but then we have the living room, or dining room, living room. Okay, one big box. And then this kind of just stays the mess that it is. I mean, there's really not much I can do about it because like we keep the car seat there, which I want to clean out the closet that's over there, but that will be a declutter. Little man is still down. Win, yeah. So, I mean, he ate literally like 300 within 2 hours. So I am sitting here editing. Straight up panic attack. So I went ahead and cleaned up a whole bunch of stuff on iMovie, and I forgot that I'm like putting things in and doing like the edits, like as far as like without the voice. Although here, this voice, because I just did the voiceover. So what I would come in and do is like just all these little edits. Like I deleted this one, but like look at all these edits here. Okay, I'm an idiot, whatever. Anyway, it's straight up panic because I went in and I was like adding things to my hard drive. Like I was doing like some great things and it was gone. I'm like, oh my God, where is this video? I looked to see if I uploaded it to just make sure that like, okay, maybe I did. No upload. But thankfully I had the footage in iMovie because I wiped that SD card. Good morning. Today is Friday. I don't know how much I'm going to vlog today because my sister-in-law and brother-in-law both got in last night. But I just want to show you how clean my house looks right now. Obviously, I have still been using it, but from last night, I came down with my bottles. But like, look at how clean this is. That's me at the end of the table. And then the living room. I just turned on the fire, but like, I am so excited. Like I feel like every time I clean, it's always like sections, and like the dining room table is never one of them. So I'm so happy. Yeah, but I'm gonna wash the bottles and hopefully little man sleeps until like 9 and I can just chill.